This video is going to show you how to make baked oatmeal. First, you have 3 cups of instant oats in the bowl, then a cup of brown sugar, then 3 eggs, then your half cup of raisins, you need a half a cup of melted butter, margarine, either one. I use margarine. Then we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, then I'm going to mix all this up, and over in this 9x13 pan I cut up a banana, and then I have a cup of strawberries to add to it. So we're going to mix our oatmeal up. Got to add the milk too. You need 1 cup of milk. Then you just mix all this together. We're preheating our oven on 350, and we will cook this between 20 and 30 minutes in the oven in our 9x13 greased pan. I greased it before I put those bananas in there. Make sure it's all nice and incorporated. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw in our strawberries. Okay, then I'm going to get the bananas out of here, mix them in last. Mix them all in there. You can put any kind of fruit that you like in this. You can put a cup of peaches or apples or apricots, whatever you want. And if you don't put the bananas in, you can just put an extra half a cup of whatever kind of fruit you like. So instead of putting 1 cup, like I did with strawberries, you can put 1.5 cups of peaches. Whatever kind of fruit you like. Okay, now we're going to dump it in our 9x13 pan. And all you do is bake it for 20 to 30 minutes till the bottom is golden brown. That's why I have it in a glass casserole dish, so I can see when the bottom turns brown. And just spread it out nice and even. And we're going to bake it. After 30 minutes, our baked oatmeal has just come out of the oven. See how it's nice and brown around the edges? And it's brown on the bottom, so it's nice and done. Hope you like my recipe for baked oatmeal. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.